the brand ambassador for Videocon for years now. Apart from that, I have a very personal and friendly relationships with the Doots, and we've been old family friends now. So those two are the main reasons I'm here. But there is also a reason that, you know, in cinema and films now, what we have started doing is the technology, the 3Ds, all the aspects of sound, visual effects, all the theaters around the country, around the world actually are changing so rapidly that they are keeping in step with the fact that Indian cinema and even the international cinema that we get to see here is being exploited in the way it is made. It is being shown in the way it should be shown, you know, a big film experience. But when it comes down to television, I think we are still a little lacking or wanting. And it feels really bad that you make a big film or a nice, wonderful film, but by the time the viewers get to see it in their houses or in a personal space on a television, it loses the quality of visual effects or the sound that we have. So I'm here, apart from wishing Videocon and everyone all the best for this new launch this afternoon. But I'm here actually myself looking for a television which will make sure that my films look better when they're watched on TV also. And as I've always said, being the brand ambassador of Videocon, and as I said, one of the oldest and one of the most popular appliances plus television companies for 25 years in our country, it's an honor to be a part of this, and inshallah, this television, the DDB TV, will do as well as the rest of the appliances, the rest of the products that have been doing for years. You know, I'd like to help the consumers, because I've been the brand ambassador of Videocon, and one of the greatest appliances and otherwise I've been associated with television. Like you heard, my association has been very, very emotional because it was the first and last television that my mother presented to me. I'm actually the brand ambassador for Videocon overall, the group, as a friend. Professionally, I think I just do the television. And then I think their DTH services with Abhishek. Yes. And I think the DDB is with Priyanka. And I think with Shruti is... yeah, I think the appliances and television is with me. And they're very kind to me. So I use Dish TV and I put it on my DDB TV. And they still send me televisions to eat food from. अब तो यार हर जगह टीवी लगाया हुआ है इन्होंने. अब तो हम खाना भी जो है टीवी के ऊपर रखकर ही खाते हैं. प्लेट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. छोटे साइज का प्लेट का टीवी है. और अभी मैंने इनसे पूछा है कि अगर 4 पहिए दे दें तो गाड़ी भी बना सकता हूँ मैं टीवी से. बहुत टीवी है माशाल्लाह वीडियोकॉन के मेरे पास. मैं एक्चुअली जो सच बात है मैं बताऊंगा, 3D सिनेमा में भी आ गई है. हर जगह पर इस्तेमाल नहीं होगी शायद हर फिल्म के लिए, लेकिन आई थिंक ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है हमारे देश में ही सबसे पहले आती है. क्योंकि अब मैंने नोट किया है, चाहे वो टेलीफोनी में है, चाहे वो इंटरनेट में है, चाहे वो 4G में है, you know, all the technology is being introduced in our country first because we were the last to reach that development stage. तो जो नया आता है वो यहीं पर आता है. और of course which is even more proud is the fact कि हमारी अपनी कंपनीज बना रही हैं. हम बाहर से नहीं उसको सिर्फ मंगा रहे हैं, जैसे वीडियोकॉन है और भी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज हैं. सो आई थिंक यार जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी होगी, चाहे टेलीविजन में है या फिल्म में, हम हिंदुस्तानी उसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं. एक बार देखेंगे तो सही, फिर डिसाइड करेंगे अच्छी लगती है कि नहीं लगती है.